What's up YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the Audi SQ5 2016. So today we're doing the S4, pretty much supercharger heat exchanger that ECS offers. And he had to do some pretty much a couple modifications, fabricate these brackets in order for it to sit there. And I still have to purge the system and do what I got to do, but it does sit correctly to some degree on the support mounts that they pretty much include. We'll see how that pretty much stays in time, but I had to obviously fabricate these because the mounts, one bracket sits higher than pretty much the other, and one sits pretty much in the middle, and that's one thing I didn't pay attention to when ordering this, but it was actually cheaper than going with Merc Racing or any other company, and it has warranty. So there you have it. That's just my 2 cents, guys. Also doing the ACC system here. I'm going to go around the wiring harness down here and pretty much go from there and have that installed and calibrated. And I still have to fabricate my cold air intake to basically come like it was as my original ordeal, because it's a new grill with the ACC insert here. That's probably the most expensive part of this whole product is this piece of plastic, believe it or not. So now I just basically am just doing what I got to do to get that going. And as mentioned, these brackets here, they just still didn't work. So yeah, it's whatever. We make it work. That's how it is. That's how you do it from modifying your car. So anyways, guys, if you like what your content, subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.